The Stratasys name means quality. Our printers are the most precise, reliable, and powerful on the market, renowned for their unmatched repeatability and accuracy. But manufacturing top-quality 3D parts also requires the very best software. Stratasys excels here too, with software solutions that unlock the true potential of additive manufacturing at scale. It all starts with GrabCAD. Stratasys software built to work with Stratasys printers and materials to produce precise quality parts, capable of transforming high-fidelity CAD designs into printed parts of unsurpassed quality and accuracy in less time. Now, GrabCAD Print Pro takes volume manufacturing to the next level, with features that deliver better parts faster when you're printing at scale. The Accuracy Center increases printing precision with 3D scanned data that lets you diagnose and instantly correct warp, offsets, and other systemic inaccuracies. And GrabCAD Print Pro takes the hassle out of labeling with automatic label placement and unique code generation to easily trace your printed parts. You'll also get manufacturing templates that make your workflow more efficient and improve part quality. You can save and reuse print settings to automate common jobs. Put simply, GrabCAD Print Pro reduces preparation time, improves manufacturability, and increases speed and efficiency for your most demanding additive manufacturing challenges. And there's more. GrabCAD Print Pro also lets you integrate Stratasys printers into your company's software toolchain by connecting with industry-leading third-party MES, DRM, PLM, analytics, and simulation software, ensuring an end-to-end solution that best meets your needs. OpenAM software allows you to customize materials by adjusting print parameters, which affects the capabilities and characteristics of printed parts. These plugins are directly connected to the GrabCAD Print Pro software and offer complementary functionality. They allow users to optimize builds, budgets, and overall processes. It all adds up to quality and innovation from the leading name in digital transformation.